Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39K water tank angle strap. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 1-39K water tank angle strap for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So first off, open up new template MMGS. Save. Always do that. It's always good idea. Okay. So let's do right plane. It's gonna be like L shape. So there. Done. That could be a bit. Oh, got there. That could be a bit level. Okay, so now we want. It's gonna be. Looking above, it's gonna be 16 there, and 12 there. 3. There we go. Yeah. Sometimes it does that if you. It's weird at times. Oh, come on. Thank you. And 3. There we go. And that's going to be 312 long. So feature, screwed, 312, mid plane, and done. So that's that part done, that section of the part. Now, looking above, that's this one. We want to go normalize. That one, we want to put 2 holes in. Could mirror in this, but that's fine. So put those 2 horizontal. There we go, beautiful. And these holes are 6mm. Domes of 6. I could equal that, but it's just 2 holes, just easy that way. Okay, so now they 9mm from the end. 9. And 9. And 10 from this side. 10. There we go, that's all black, so it's all locked in nice. We're going to go feature, extrude, through all, and done. Beautiful. Now we've got rays there of 3 by looks. So let's go to fillet 3, that edge there, and that edge there. Yep, 3 looks good. That's that done. And in fact, these are done here too. So actually, let me add that. Yeah, these 2, that one there, and that one there, and done. There we go. Oop. Go out. Thank you. So that is that part done. That's all there is to it. Angle 12 by 16, 3, 12, 2 holes, no holes in the back. That's it. So thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed the episode, that is part 1-39K water tank angle strap done. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, do subscribe. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.